These are the extreme duty assembly instructions. Here is a list of the tools that will be needed. The first thing you need to do is cut the metal banding that secures the tree shear to the pallet. Next, lay the mount down so your equipment can attach to the clipper mount. In this video, we're using the Universal Quick Attach system, commonly referred to as skid steer quick attach. Attach your equipment to the clipper mount. Remove the 4 5/8" bolts from the clipper head. Next, line up the 4 holes on the end of the rotator pipe to the 4 holes on the clipper head. Use the alignment rod to align the holes so you can connect the mount to the clipper head by installing the 4 5/8" bolts. Install the bolts from the front to the rear and tighten. Next, connect the 2 hoses on the mount to the 5/8" cutting cylinder on the clipper head. The 90-degree hose end will connect to the port on the right-hand side of the cylinder. This is an O-ring connection, so no pipe joint compound is necessary. The straight hose end connects to the ports on the left-hand side. This is an O-ring connection, so no pipe joint compound is necessary. Assembly is now complete. Follow instructions in the owner's manual for further operation.